Hello, in front of me I've got VIVO X80 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to settings and enter display and brightness. As you can see right here, we've got all settings for our display. Let's start with the top of the list, where you can change brightness level of the display manually or via adaptive brightness. Next, you can enable or disable eye protection, dark theme, change screen timeout between 15 seconds and 10 minutes, enable or disable auto rotate screen, adjust screen colors between standard, professional, bright, and cool temperature adjustment on this slider. Next, we can change font size and display size, font style, adjust status bar. You can change notification method between icons, numbers and none, enable or disable real-time network speed and battery percentage, change screen resolution, set screensaver, change screen refresh rates between 60 Hz, 120 Hz or smart switch, enable or disable visual enhancement, full screen display of apps, and display at the top of the screen, which means you can hide the notch for the certain apps. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.